How we can fix a most common scenario any user system says it's not a part of sudo. If we switch to our demo user ls here, clear the screen by clear command and if we use sudo user add abc, it's a demo user is not in the sudo file. How to overcome, how to make that demo user a part of a sudo so that can escalate the privilege of a sudo. To do this, simply as this user, we are here inside the etc file, not to assign a demo user permission or escalation so that can escalate the privileges. We have here the, if we specify less here, we have the directory of sudoers here. Inside that configuration file, we will allow that demo user the permission. Simply open with nano sudoers file. Inside this we will scroll down here, and here user privilege specification, we will specify here the username, and then we can specify the different rules of according to the permission. Let's say we specify the user demo here, and then we are going for this time with all the default option. To save this, simply Control X, and okay, now we have saved that file. To check this, cat /sudos. Okay, and now the changes have been saved to this file. Now switch to that user su minus then specify the username to reload this environment variable also. Now we are here inside the demo user. Now we want to run this command sudo and then user add, and then the specify the username, let's say John. Now we will press enter. Now the user has been successfully added as at this time. Basically this when you will run this for first, it will prompt us for the user password. We already provide that, that's why it did not ask for the password. To check the John user inside our user list, cat /etc password. Now the John user has been created now.